Welcome. In today's video, I'll show exactly how to find all your relationship history on Facebook using the web version on PC with the latest update. This is perfect if you want to review every change you've made to your relationship status over time, all in one place. First, open your browser and go to Facebook. Log into your account if you're not already. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand a new menu with several options. Click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of your actions and updates. Now, on the left-hand side of the Activity Log page, you'll see different categories. Scroll down until you find Personal Information. Click on it to expand the section. Under Personal Information, look for Profile Information and click to enter. Inside Profile Information, you'll see a list of options related to your profile details. Scroll down until you find Relationships. Click on it. This will display your full relationship history, including every time you've updated your status, whether you marked yourself as single, in a relationship, engaged, or married. You can review each entry with its date and details. This is especially useful if you want to track when you made certain changes or verify information about your profile. Facebook keeps this history private by default, so only you can see it unless you choose to share it. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've accessed your complete relationship history on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.